Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to lock apps on Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone. There are several ways to lock your apps, but today I'll show you an easy and 100% safe method that allows you to lock apps and unlock them easily using your phone's biometric system. Just follow the step-by-step guideline. Step 2. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type App Lock or App Lock Fingerprint and search for it. You'll see multiple results. Step 3. Choose a trusted app from the results. Tap Install and wait for the installation to complete. Make sure you pick an app with good ratings and reviews for security. Step 4. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll need to set a password method, for example, a pattern lock. Type your pattern once and then again to confirm. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions, like access to notifications, usage data, and storage, so the app works correctly. Step 5. The app usually suggests locking popular apps automatically, like Play Store, WhatsApp, and more. You can also manually add other apps by going to the Unlock menu, selecting More Apps, and tapping the toggle button next to each app you want to secure. Step 6. Finally, if your phone supports it, you can enable fingerprint lock. Tap the settings icon at the top, find the fingerprint unlock option, and enable it. Now to test it, go back to your home screen and try opening a locked app like WhatsApp. Enter your password or use your fingerprint to unlock it easily. Your apps are now fully protected with both password and biometric security, giving you peace of mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.